Andrew here, and today I received a package in the mail today, and it is a new, which is my 4 terabyte Firecuda 120 SSD. First, I'm gonna see, and it's kind of rare. It's hard to find. I know Seagate doesn't need to bring those production back. I see Yukon is winning 49 to 35, and now here it is coming. And look at this. See, pretty cool. Seagate Gaming. Says Seagate 4 terabyte Firecuda 120 SSD. Internal solid state drive for PC. This is for PC. Looks very good. See the back. This. Wish. Oh. 4 terabyte. I always wanted this in such a very long time. I'm gonna be upgrading this on this laptop because I'm running out of space. Or you got fans. If you watch, just give a cheer to them winning. Let me take a picture of it on my real phone. See the Mario movie? Good movie. Let's take a look, open the box. See, this is Mario movie coming soon. Can't wait to see that movie. I know. Let me open it with that plug, the prong. There's no sleep. See, there it is. It's open. Coming out. See what? Oh, here it says a Firecuda. Here comes the SSD itself. Ah, look how cool he is. Cool is this? See, it says Firecuda, it says gaming, and it says it's a 4 terabyte. And get things out of the way. Not selling this. Well, there you have it. See? So that's it for this video. See, I'm very glad I finally got this internal solid state drive, and I might do a video of how to upgrade tomorrow. I'll think about how busy I am. Sorry, it's my workout ending. So, this video, so now I'm very, because that was such a rare product. So yeah, So enjoy the rest of March Madness. See, hope UConn wins and is losing. So remember to rate, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And bye.